Hello everyone, my name is Feb. If you are wondering what's the best education group to visit in terms of international internship and traineeship, we got you. Here at Three Lions, our programs are tailored for Filipinos, either in US, Canada, Australia, UK, and France. And if you are worried with your qualifications, do not worry because we offer free career consultation, may it be virtual or face-to-face. So, what are you waiting for? Alter your life with us by investing in international education and internship programs because your destiny is waiting for you. Book your free counseling session now and pursue your own greatness at Three Lions Visa Services.